Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be creating a Hello World program in Java. I'm using IntelliJ. There are many different Java editors, but if you want to learn how to set up Java, there are many YouTube videos. I'll link some in the description, and let's get started. So once you've created your new project, you go to your project and then to your source file, the one that reads src new Java class, and we're going to call this Hello World. So once we've done this, we're going to create our main method. So you can do this using the IntelliJ shortcut psvm. So that's public static void main string square brackets args and curly braces. Now we're going to write system.out.print line or print lin, but it's just print ln, and then in quotes we're going to write hello world. So that's all we need to write, and end it with a semicolon because that's how you end things in Java. There is a quicker way to write system out.println. You can use the IntelliJ shortcut sout, which is this one here, and click, and I'm gonna say I am t-tech. So if we run that now, we can either run it through here, or you could run it through here, but when you're first creating your program, you always have to run it through here. And run hello world. So it's building, as you can see, and here it's printed it out. Hello, I am t-tech, process finished with exit code 0, so that's all normal. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around next time. Bye.